FICO scores are categorized from poor to exceptional, as we just said, and you see the wheel there, right? With a good score range of 670 to 739. So everybody that said 700, you were right there in the sweet spot. That is, in fact, a good credit score. And anything in the good range is usually bankable, is usually something that you will get approved for most loans based on your credit score if you're in that range. But there are other factors too, right? It's not just the credit score. So having that score doesn't guarantee you'd be approved. They look at debt to income ratios and just a lot of stuff, the collateral itself and loan to value, in addition to the credit score. The Vantage score is similar in terms of how those scores are considered and viewed, but the score ranges are a little different if you were to look at a chart for that. Surprisingly, 67% of Americans, maybe not surprisingly, but 67% of Americans have a good FICO score or better. Now, only 21% have an exceptional score. That's still a pretty good chunk of the population, though, right? 1/5. And again, when you look at those exceptional score examples, okay, what does that actually look like? Sometimes it might surprise you. Going back to those that need credit the least and use it the least are usually the ones that have the best scores, and the inverse is true. Now, your score does impact the interest rate received on credit cards and on sometimes installment loans. Usually any revolving credit is going to be tied to what your score is in some way, form, or fashion on the backside, but also the installment loans. Not every. Some products out there, you're either approved and you get this rate or you're denied. You try again later, right? But a lot of times it is hinging on your score, especially in the mortgage world. Your credit score comes into play a lot. And that's why it matters, because it can greatly affect the overall cost. Having a good credit score is not just about being able to get a loan and get approved. It's about how much that loan or credit product is going to cost you.
Pinnacle Bank is a member FDIC and an equal housing lender. Neither Pinnacle Bank or its affiliates are a registered broker-dealer. Securities and/or insurance products are not deposits, not insured by the FDIC or any other government agency, nor are they guaranteed by Pinnacle Bank. They are subject to risk and may lose value. Registration does not imply a certain level of skill or training. The purpose of this series is to provide helpful information on the subject matter covered. It is offered with the understanding that Pinnacle Bank is not rendering legal or accounting advice. Since the details of your situation may be fact-dependent, you should additionally seek the services of a competent professional regarding your personal situation.